Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video, I am going to talk about how to find a campground to fit your lifestyle. Now there's a few questions you're going to want to ask yourself. One, if you've gone camping before, what type of campgrounds have you liked before? And the activities you might have done outside the campground or the amenities you might have liked in the campground. Or if you've never gone camping before, what do you like to do? You know, like, do you like to hike? Do you like to fish? Do you like to swim? So, if you like hiking, maybe look for ones close to a hiking trail. If you're not a hiker and you want more amenities inside the campground, look more amenity type campgrounds. Now I'm going to show you an example of how to find a campground to fit your lifestyle. Okay, so this is for an example. Let's say it's the third week in July and you want to go to Myrtle Beach. Well, now we got to find a campground that will fit your lifestyle. I'm going to show 4 different ones. There's plenty to pick from. But I'm going to show you 4 as an example of how you would find which one would fit your lifestyle. Okay, this is Myrtle Beach State Park. Now, first thing you might want to do is find what size roofs can fit at this park. If it's like, well, we can only have 40 feet and yours is like 43 feet, then you'll have to find someone else. But if that's good, then the first thing you should probably do is read the about. So they'll tell you a lot about that park. Like, you know, beach attractions and the park amenities. Let's see. You know, location. I'll talk about the beach and hiking and fishing. You know, and it tells you each thing that you might be interested. If you like hiking and you like fishing and you like being in the trees, this could be the park for you. Now, next you want to go look at the photos if there's any photos on the website. Next, if the website has no photos, you can always go to the photos of images of the park and different photos people pick and just start looking, you know, at the different sites, you know, like, do you like being kind of nestled in the trees and having a little bit more room than some? It shows you the playground. What does the playground look like? If you have kids, that might be important, you know. If you want a bigger playground, then maybe you need to find a different one, you know. See if you like more nestled in the trees and not as many people next to you. If you like more room to set out your stuff. If you're okay being close to people, maybe this might not be for you. If you like when stuff's planned out for your trip instead of not having a lot of amenities, maybe this park might not be for you. Now, I would always recommend looking at more than one just to make sure what you like. So this is Myrtle Beach Travel Park. Now, like before, you want to go to the about. And, you know, the history, and, you know, the history of the park, you know, 17-acre freshwater lake, and large outdoor swimming pool, an indoor heated pool, kids splash pool, lazy river, and then this one has a video, so if you want to watch a video of it, and it'll tell you a lot more about the park. But if you notice, this one's close together. If you more like to be separate from your neighbors and more trees, this park might not be for you because it's not nestled in the trees. Maybe the first one's more your type, but if you're okay with being kind of close but having all these amenities, then maybe this park can be for you. Now we looked at those 2. Now we're at Ocean Lakes Family Campground. Now, like before, you can go to the About Us, go down, talk about the history of the park. You can read this and learn more about the park. Another good thing is if you can find a little map of the campground. That can be good also, because it can kind of tell you, you know, kind of what it might look like, the campsites and stuff like that. Let's see. Next, we'll be looking at all the amenities and stuff. If you notice, this park has a ton to do. Like the last one just had a pool and a lazy river. If you want like a water slide, maybe this is the park for you instead of the other one. And if you're not like into the relaxed, calm type atmosphere and you're more okay with go, 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 this park might be more for you than the first one or the second one. But this one, the sites are a lot closer together in the beachfront part of the campground. So if you want to be, you know, more trees than just one tree, you might want to do like Myrtle Beach State Park, or you might want to go further into the park where it's more tree than this part. Okay, last but certainly not least is Myrtle Beach KOA Myrtle Beach Resort. This one, obviously, this is the about information about, you know, where it's at, the stories of the park. Next, look at the photos of the campground. Like this one has a jumping pillow. None of the others had a jumping pillow. So if that's important to you about that being an amenity, maybe this is the park for you. If you want more like luxury sites like these, the premium type sites, maybe the KOA Resort is more of your style than the others, because the others don't have like premium sites like this one does. Let's see. And of course they have a pool and all type of amenities. But this one is a little more tree and laid back. So if you like more of the Myrtle Beach State Park vibe, but you want to have more amenities besides the beach and like a nature center and hiking, then maybe Myrtle Beach KOA Resort is more your style than the other two. I hope this helped you figure out how to plan different trips. Now you've figured out how to plan a camping trip and find one that fits your lifestyle. Now it's time to plan the trip. Thanks so much for watching again. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching again. Bye!